Is it possible to trademark dictionary words? My name is Andrei Mincov. I'm the founder of Trademark Factory. And in this video, I'm going to answer this very question.
Get it trademarked with Trademark Factory.
The short answer to the question of whether you can trademark dictionary words that you can find in any dictionary, words that are common to the language, is absolutely yes, you can. And really the best example for that is Apple, right? You can't find a more common word than that. Yet, Apple, of course, is a very valuable trademark. How were they able to trademark it? Well, because they're not in the business of selling apples. You see, if they wanted to sell apples, of course, they couldn't trademark the word apple because that's not what trademarks are for. But since they're selling something that has nothing to do with the fruit, they sell computers, phones, software, tablets, all that kind of stuff. That has nothing to do with the fruit. That's why they are allowed to use the dictionary words as their name and get it trademarked. You see, the most common misconception around trademarks is that you need to have something completely unique. You don't, right? And I see all those people who are like, how come can you monopolize the word? Like, let's trademark the alphabet. That's not how it works. You're not expected with trademarks to always come up with new words that hadn't existed before. That's not what it's about. What this is about is allowing the market to tell your products and services apart from everybody else's products and services of the same type, right? If your brand allows you to do that, then it's a proper brand for getting it trademarked. Apple, once again, is a perfect example, right? Once you hear the word Apple in connection to phones or computers or laptops, you know exactly who makes those phones, computers, and laptops. And that makes it perfectly trademarkable. Canon, right, for cameras. Right? They're not selling cannons as the war machines. They sell cameras, and because of that, they can use the dictionary word Canon as their brand, as their trademark. And there are millions of other trademarks that are nothing but dictionary words, but it's the combination of those dictionary words and specific products and services that they sell that makes them trademarkable. But for example, if you were in the business of selling pencils, you can't trademark the word pencil because that would be a generic name, and generic names are not trademarkable. So that's how this works. So there's nothing wrong with trademarking dictionary words as such, as long as the name still allows the market to distinguish you from your competition. So if you came up with a brand that's just a dictionary word, don't let that necessarily discourage you from trying to trademark it. As long as the name is not the actual name of your product or service, it could be trademarkable. And the way to move forward is for you to go to trademarkfactory.com and book your free call with one of our strategy advisors, right? And once you become a client, our legal team is going to do the searches, is going to come up with a registrability opinion and let you know if the name you came up with is trademarkable. And if it is, we're going to help you get this done with a guaranteed result for a guaranteed budget. And if we tell you the name is not trademarkable, then you can either get a full refund or you can do what most of our clients do, which is keep sending us other variants until you pick a brand that you love that we tell you is trademarkable, right? Because there's no reason in the world to spend a minute of your life or $1 out of your pocket building a brand that you don't own, right? Again, whether it's a dictionary word, unique word, You got to protect your brand. That's how it becomes an asset. That's how it becomes yours. Without it, all you're doing is building a brand for someone else. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next video.